Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to zoom in or out on your VITURE XR glasses with SpaceWalker. If you have SpaceWalker app open, you may have multiple screens that when you move your head, they are moving, as you can see right now. And now, if you'd like to zoom in or out, you'll need to use a combination of keys, which is CTRL+SHIFT+ALT and the top arrow to zoom in or down arrow to zoom out. And as you can see, now I am zooming out. And now I've zoomed out quite far, not the farthest I could get, but quite far. And I think it's better for me. I prefer it that way. I could even go further because the resolution is quite good on the glasses. So I feel like it's fine that way. And as you can see right now, I'm zoomed out. I can see almost like 2 displays at the same time, let's say 1.5, and that's pretty good. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.